All right, you've learned what research and development is, and I've given you some examples. Here's the big question. Do you actually qualify for research and development, and how to apply this tax tip? Here's the thing. You don't have to be Google or Tesla to qualify. Small businesses and entrepreneurs can absolutely claim this. Here's the rule of thumb. You're improving a product, process, or service. You faced some uncertainty and you are experimenting to solve this problem. Here's some of the industries that this shows up in: restaurants, content creators, retailers trying to be eco-friendly when it comes to packaging, content creators building new apps or automations, consultants creating frameworks. Let me bring it home. If you've ever said, let's test this and see if it works, guess what? You're in research and development territory. So how to apply it? Let's get into that. Step 1, inventory your activities. Step 2, track your expenses like wages, supplies, contractors, domestic research and development costs. Step 3, pick your deduction method. Remember, we talked about that a little bit. 2025, immediate expensing. Or you could spread this deduction over a number of years. And let me break that down. This is the part that's going to surprise you. You could go back and amend your 2022 through 2024 tax return if you were a small business and really needed that refund. Oh, for clarity, if it's going to result in a refund. Step 4, you claim the credit. And get this, you could get from 14 to 20% back on eligible expenses if you go look at Section 41. Now, step 5, you want to file this right. You want to file it the correct way. The updated IRS forms, they're going to ask things like the number of components, wages, disposition, acquisition. So you're going to have to know some details when it comes to your research and development. Think of this like unlocking a cheat code, and each step opens yet another level of tax savings. That was a lot, so let's recap. Who qualifies? Any business that's improving, testing, or innovating. How do you apply? Follow the 5 steps. Inventory, expenses, deductions, credit, file. Now, I'm not giving you tax advice in this video. This is for education purposes only. If you think this fits you, book an appointment with your tax preparer or go to my website and get on my calendar. Follow me for more 2025 tips, because leaving this on the table is like giving the IRS a huge tip that they didn't even deserve.